Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I'm coming to you all today with another Crafty Vision segment. Today, I'm going to show y'all how to make a pair of earrings using this wired jute cord that I got from the Dollar Tree. Now, I do have a haul coming up that is going to be pretty much showcasing this here jute cord, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get right on into this here video. So here are the items that you are going to need for this here how to make, okay? You're going to need some aluminum wire, and this piece is 9.5 inches long. You're gonna need this cord here. Got this from the Dollar Tree for $1. You're gonna need a cowrie shell, okay? You're gonna need a glue gun. You're gonna need your wire cutters and your round nose pliers. And you are also going to need something to create your shape. So I am using a little medicine bottle that's about an inch and a half thick, okay? So the very first thing you wanna do, and when you use this cord, if you've ever worked with jute cord, you know that it does a lot of shedding, okay? So the first thing we want to do is we're going to take our, whatever you're going to be using to make your shape, and we're going to place our wire just like this and pinch it up. And we're going to bring these two pieces down like that, okay? We're going to twist it. We're going to bring one piece up, and then we're going to just wrap around this piece here a couple of times, and then we're just going to snip that off. So we're going to take this off. That's our circle. We're going to take our wire cutters and just snip this little piece here off, just like that, okay? And that's pretty much what you're going to have. That's going to be your shape. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to start wrapping your cord onto your shape. So we want to come, and I am going to come right here. You don't need to glue it, okay? You're going to come right here, and then you're going to just start wrapping. You're going to take a piece and bring a piece up. Let a piece hang out right there. And then you're going to start wrapping this, okay? I'm going to start wrapping it. So I'm going to do a couple of wraps to show y'all how it is going to be done. And then I'm going to go out, and the video is going to be processed a little bit, okay? So this is pretty much what you are going to have by wrapping this onto your cord. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. Okay, y'all, so this is basically what you are going to have once you wrap it. Now, don't worry about this right here, okay? We're going to take care of that. Now, like I said, this stuff really sheds a whole lot. It does a whole lot of shedding. So this pretty much is what you're going to have. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here. You're going to leave this piece here, and you're going to come and just snip this off a tad bit, just like that, with your scissors. With your wire cutters, okay? All right, now you're going to take this piece and come around like this, and you're just going to start wrapping this just like this, okay? You're going to start wrapping it, and you're going to continue to wrap. All right, hope you all can see what I just did. And you're going to, as you continue to wrap, you're going to start coming further down. All right, and I forgot to mention that I will not be using any fish hooks for these earrings, okay? And then you're just going to continue to wrap and bring this piece down just like that. You're going to start seeing your earring starting to come together. Okay. Continue to bring it down. All right. Now you can take this down as far as you see fit, but I'm going to be done right here. That is my end result. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my glue gun and hit it with some glue right here. Just like that. Take this piece and bring it over like that. Clean it up really, really quick. Okay, that's going to seal. All right. Now once you do that, then you want to come and you want to take your wire cutters and then just snip this off. Now be careful because this does have wire in it. And you want to come right here and snip that just like this. And then you want to take your glue and put some glue over top of that to seal it in place. Just like that. Okay. Seal it right in place. All right, so that's what you're gonna have. Now when you roll it bring it to the front, let me clean this off because there's stuff everywhere. Then you wanna take and pinch your wire over to your, whatever side you want it to be. Come here and take and snip this off. And you're gonna make a loop at the top of that. Pinch it over and make your loop. Okay. Straighten that up. And then the last thing you want to do is add on your cowrie shell. All right, and I think you may be able to make maybe 2 pairs of earrings. I'm not really sure. Or you may be able to make a set with it. You may be able to make a pair of earrings and a nice pendant. And I'm going to place my cowrie shell just like that, right there in the middle of that, by adding some of this glue. And like I said, I will not be adding on any fish hooks. I'm going to put that right here. Now, if you decide to make these, to sell these, then you need to make sure that you add some adhesive that's going to keep your earring in place. Okay, y'all, so I had to go into a different location to finish up on this here video, but these are the end results of your earrings, and you put your fish hooks in or whatever you're going to be using, and you rock these babies. How gorgeous are these? So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so very much for watching. Please make sure that you like, comment. If you are new to this here platform and this is your very first time, make sure you click the bell so that when I upload more videos, you won't miss a single one. Please also make sure that you like, share, and give this video a thumbs up. And I want to thank y'all so very much for joining me. And until my next upload, my beloved kings and queens, peace and blessings. See ya.